Ready to turn your phone into a pocket-sized cinema? Today, we're showing you the super simple way to rent movies right from your Prime Video mobile app so you can enjoy movie night no matter where you are. First, make sure you've got the Prime Video app installed on your phone. It's available on both the App Store and Google Play. Once you're in, the easiest way to find a movie is by using the search function. Tap on the search icon, usually located in the top right or bottom navigation bar of the app. Type in the title of the movie you want to rent, or if you're just browsing, try a genre like comedy, action, or drama. You'll see search suggestions pop up as you type. Tap on the movie poster of the film you're interested in. This will take you to the movie's details page. Here, you'll find all the information about the movie, including a trailer, description, and most importantly, your rental options. Look for the rent button. It'll usually show the price for the rental period. Tap the rent button. A confirmation window will pop up, showing you the rental price and your payment method. Confirm your purchase by tapping the rent or confirm button. You may need to enter your Amazon account password to proceed. And that's it. You'll see a confirmation screen saying your rental was successful. Now, just tap the play button to start watching your movie. Your rented movie will be available to watch for a specific period, usually 30 days to start watching, and then 48 hours to finish it. Once you begin, enjoy your on-the-go movie night. Now you can enjoy movie night anywhere with just a few taps. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Prime Video tips and tricks.